What is performance anxiety and how do we fix it? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly that in 3 steps. I'm Shay, I'm a men's coach. I experience and fix performance anxiety for myself in the bedroom, and I've now worked with guys in every continent around the world, apart from Antarctica, to be able to fix performance anxiety so that you can feel normal again. Let's talk about what performance anxiety is, and I'm specifically talking to men who are experiencing this in a bedroom context. I've broken this down into 3 areas, and I'm also going to share with you the performance anxiety quiz in the comments below. I'll talk about that shortly. So the first area is experience. We have some kind of experience that doesn't go to plan, whether this is at a younger age or later on in our life, but we have some kind of event or multiple events that don't go to plan, and this plants a seed in the area of intimacy of, oh, what if that happens again next time, which leads us on to number 2. So number 1 is the experience, number 2 is then the thoughts. So we start to have this cycle, this loop of thoughts that go around in our mind. What if it happens again? What if I can't perform in the way that I want to? What if I can't satisfy them? What if they leave me because of this? These loop of what I call what if questions that don't really have an answer. They keep us stuck, and it keeps us in this spiral of overthinking. So that's number 2. And then number 3, actions. So as a result of the experience, then as a result of our thoughts, we then take certain actions. And if you can relate to experiencing performance anxiety over a period of time, we can avoid intimacy because we have these thoughts of what if it doesn't go to plan again, or we just want to avoid the discomfort or the embarrassment or the awkwardness, this feeling of shame of having to explain ourselves, or the feeling of knowing that things are not going in the way that we want to, not going this way, going this way, and the sinking feeling that comes with that. So you can see here what we have is this stacking. First of an actual experience or experiences, then thoughts that come with that, what if, so we're projecting into the future, and then actions. We take certain actions as a result. So this may not be the dictionary definition, a theoretical definition of performance anxiety, but this is real lived experience. If you can relate to this, the next step is, of course, how do we get this sorted? We have to start with understanding, is this performance anxiety or is it something else? That's the first step on the journey. Many guys, including myself, have spent weeks, months, if not years, trying to figure that out for ourselves, and we go round and round in circles. You don't need to figure it out for yourself. Why? Because I have created a free quiz that will do that hard work for you. So this is 10 yes or no questions that you answer that will show you if this is performance anxiety or if it's something else, and then what to do about it so that we can start getting this fixed. If this has been relatable to you, in the comments section below, you'll see a link to the performance anxiety quiz. When you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to the page where you can answer the 10 yes or no questions, and you will then see your score. So head to the quiz now. I look forward to seeing you right there.